If you're over 60, your morning routine might be quietly damaging your heart, and you probably have no idea. These aren't extreme habits. They're the little things millions of people do every single day, and they can raise your risk of heart strain, fatigue, and even heart attacks. Today, we're counting down the 7 morning habits cardiologists warn can quietly harm your heart, and what you can do instead. And trust me, habit number 1 will shock you. After 60, your heart doesn't bounce back the way it used to. The walls of your blood vessels stiffen over time, making it harder for blood to flow smoothly. Hydration levels drop, and your blood becomes slightly thicker. Your blood pressure rises faster in the morning because your body's stress hormone, cortisol, spikes to wake you up. This combination puts extra pressure on your heart during those early hours. That's why so many heart attacks and strokes happen before 10 a.m. But here's the good news. Most of this risk can be reduced with a few simple changes. And we're going to go through them, one by one. Stick around to the end because I'll show you a 1-minute change that can instantly ease the strain on your heart. Let's start with number 7, jumping out of bed too fast. This is one of the most common morning mistakes, and it happens before you even take a single step. When you wake up, your blood pressure is at its lowest point of the day. If you sit up or stand too quickly, gravity pulls blood away from your head. Your heart has to work harder to stabilize your circulation. That sudden rush can cause dizziness, blurred vision, or even fainting. For someone over 60, that drop in pressure can put unnecessary stress on the heart and increase the risk of falls. The fix is simple. Sit up slowly. Take a few deep breaths. Roll your shoulders. Give your body about 60 seconds before standing. It may sound small, but this little moment of patience can make a big difference to your circulation and heart stability. And if you think this one's harmless, wait until you hear number 5. It's a common habit that almost everyone does without realizing the damage. Number 6. Skipping water before coffee. Look, coffee is fine. It can even be healthy in moderation. But drinking it before water is like asking your heart to sprint before it's ready. After 7 or 8 hours of sleep, your body loses fluid through breathing and sweating. That means your blood becomes slightly thicker. Without hydration, your heart must pump harder to move that thicker blood through your arteries. Add caffeine on top of that, and you've got a recipe for an early morning spike in heart rate and blood pressure. The fix? Drink a full glass of water before you touch your coffee. It rehydrates your body, helps your blood flow smoothly, and lets your heart start the day at a healthy rhythm. A bonus, hydration makes you feel more awake, so you may not even need that second cup later. Try it tomorrow morning and see how your energy feels. Number 5. Checking the news or your phone right away. This one's sneaky because it doesn't feel physical, but it hits your heart just the same. The moment you grab your phone, your brain lights up with alerts, headlines, and notifications. That quick dose of information triggers a surge of cortisol and adrenaline, the same stress hormones your body releases in emergencies. Within seconds, your blood pressure and heart rate climb. It's an artificial stress signal that tells your heart to prepare for danger when all you're doing is scrolling. Instead, take the first 5 minutes of your morning to breathe and stretch. Look outside. Think about one thing you're grateful for. Give your mind and heart a peaceful start before the digital noise begins. Number 4 is even more surprising because it involves something you probably eat every morning. Number 4. High-sodium breakfasts. Instant oatmeal packets, bacon, toast spreads, even certain cereals, many of them hide shocking amounts of sodium. When you start your morning with too much salt, your body retains water, and that extra fluid increases the pressure inside your arteries. Over time, This consistent morning salt load can elevate your blood pressure, making your heart work harder every single day. The American Heart Association recommends keeping daily sodium intake under 1,500 milligrams, and breakfast is often where people use up nearly half of that without realizing it. If your breakfast comes from a box, can, or frozen package, check the label. The fix is simple. Keep your breakfast sodium under 400 milligrams. Choose real oats instead of instant packets, boiled eggs instead of bacon, and fresh fruit instead of processed spreads. If you like toast, top it with avocado or a drizzle of olive oil. You'll feel lighter, reduce morning bloating, and help your heart start the day in balance. But the next one? It's what most people think is healthy, and that's where the surprise comes in. Number 3. Strong coffee on an empty stomach. Many people believe that a bold cup of coffee first thing in the morning helps jump-start their energy, but here's what really happens inside your body. When caffeine hits your bloodstream without food, it causes a sharp spike in cortisol, the stress hormone, and a rapid increase in heart rhythm. For someone over 60, that sudden jolt can trigger palpitations, irritability, or even fatigue crashes a few hours later. It also increases stomach acid, which can lead to indigestion or discomfort during the day. The fix? Eat something small first. Half a banana, a handful of nuts, or a small bowl of oatmeal is enough to cushion your system. Then enjoy your coffee guilt-free. This small change stabilizes your heart rhythm, protects your stomach lining, and gives you longer-lasting energy throughout the morning. Number 2 is something many people skip, thinking it doesn't matter, but it does. Number 2. Skipping morning movement. After a full night's sleep, your blood circulation slows, and your muscles tighten. That stiffness makes your heart work harder to restart full circulation. Studies published in 2024 show that just 10 minutes of gentle morning movement, like stretching, walking, or even slow Tai Chi, can lower your risk of heart-related events by nearly 30%. You don't need a gym or equipment. Start by standing up, rolling your shoulders, and walking around your living space. Movement signals your heart and muscles to wake up together. It improves oxygen flow, boosts mood, and sets a steady rhythm for the rest of the day. Start tomorrow. Let's make this a community challenge. Move every morning for 10 minutes and feel the difference in your heart and energy. Number 1. Taking heart medications or supplements with coffee. This is one mistake even careful people make. Caffeine can interfere with how certain medications are absorbed, especially those for blood pressure, cholesterol, or thyroid regulation. It can also amplify or reduce the effects of some prescriptions, depending on your metabolism. The safest choice is always to take your medications with water, not coffee, juice, or tea. Water ensures proper absorption and protects your stomach. If you're unsure about the timing of your medications, ask your doctor or pharmacist. They can help you set a safe morning schedule. This small change can protect your heart and make your medications more effective. Now let's put it all together into the perfect heart-safe morning routine. Here's your heart-friendly 5-minute reset for tomorrow morning. First, sit up and breathe slowly for 60 seconds before getting out of bed. Second, drink a full glass of water to rehydrate your body. Third, move gently for 10 minutes, stretch, walk, or do a few easy yoga poses. Fourth, eat a small meal before your caffeine. Fifth, keep sodium low by choosing natural, unprocessed foods. And finally, take your medications with water only. These 6 steps give your heart the calm, steady start it deserves and set the tone for the rest of your day. Your heart has beaten over 2 billion times to keep you alive. It's time to return the favor. Small daily choices can add up to years of stronger heart health. If this video helped you, share it with someone over 60 who could use it. And don't forget to subscribe. We post weekly heart health hacks backed by real research and real results. Up next, watch 5 foods that quietly clean your arteries after 60. You'll be surprised by how simple they are and how quickly your body responds.